How to make loom in Terraria. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll show you how can you make a loom in Terraria. To make a loom in Terraria, you need to first of all craft a sawmill using wood, iron bars and chain at the workbench. Then you need to use a sawmill to craft loom with 12 pieces of any wood, any type of wood. Essentially you'll need a sawmill to access the loom recipe and craft it with the wood. And next thing you want to remember is that you need to gather materials. That means collect wood, iron ore, or to melt into the iron bars, and a bit of wood for a workbench. At the same time, you need to craft a workbench. That means you need to use a wood to build a basic workbench. And as you've done it, so you'll need to craft a sawmill. Now you need to combine the wood, iron bar and chain at the workbench to create a sawmill. Then you'll need to place the sawmill down, open the crafting interface and use 12 pieces of wood to craft a loom. And with that, you'll have successfully made a loom in Terraria. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.